Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for attending this presentation. My name is Muhammad Ali Fahmi. I would like to present our paper with the title Analysis of Industrial Productivity in the Bogor Regency region using key means clusters. So beside me, there's another author, which is consists of Miftah Imtihan, Mr. Mustang, and Mr. Wilar. So we are from Sekolah Tinggi Teknologi Muhammadiyah Cilengsi in Bogor, Jawa Barat. So this paper is based on industrial productivity that we're going to investigate what are the pattern and also the behavior of industrial related to the investment in Bogor Regency. The keyword for this research is industrial productivity, means, and cluster analysis. So industrial sector plays a pivotal role in the economic prosperity of a nation, serving as a driving force behind its growth and development. GDP is widely used as a yardstick to assess the overall economic health and growth of the country. On the other hand, GRDP is focused on the economic output within a specific region or locality in a specific region, providing a more granular view of regional economic performance. The relationship between GDP and GRDP is really symbiotic. A strong and thriving regional economy contributes positively to the overall GDP of a nation. Based on Suwarto in 2009, industrial productivity is a measure of industry efficiency in producing output or production while accounting for the amount of input consumed. Especially in the Bogor region, is one of the regions in Indonesia with the largest district area. It is known as one of the supporting area for Jakarta and has important role in driving both regional and economic growth. The research aim is to describe the industry productivity in Bogor and to understand the inherent pattern of grouping in industrial productivity data. The method that we use is using key means cluster analysis. Data source we base on the secondary data from BBS, Badan Pusat Statistik, from two variables consist of GRDP and total investment in each area. The outcome that this analysis can provide valuable insight for policymakers, investors, and other stakeholders, enabling them to make informed decisions, promote economic growth, and so on. Okay, based on literature review, we find several literature that related to the industrial productivity theme. Start from 1997. Widiarno in 1997 is explore industry productivity growth in Indonesia. Continue with A. Asmara. They explore the factor impacting industrial productivity in Indonesia. And in 2019, a substantial impact on productivity of two provinces is being conducted by D.S. Alia and also L. Sugiharti. They explore and examine factors that contribute to Indonesia manufacturing corridor growth. And in 2020, Tulus Ahmad et al. They do the productivity of industry sector in Central and West Java. And the latest one is in 2022. The term is related to the contribution of industrial sector that has little impact on industrial labor productivity. So our research is in 2023. As we can see that the previous research that has not been shown related to the clustering and related to the how big the growth of GRDP to the investment. So now we are going to describe the industry productivity to understand the inherent pattern of grouping. Yeah. And the methodology that we use is using K cluster mean, which is consists of data collections, yeah, from second data, and then we pre-processing the data, cleanse the data, and so on. We make a cluster number, so I guess cluster number, and then applying k-means, and then we also do the dissimilarity matrix analysis, and we interpret the clusters and also cluster validations. So the analysis and result based on the descriptive analysis, yeah, that we can see first the linear increase trend in Bogor vacancy consists of number of projects, yeah, increase, and then also the investment value. So we can see that this is very positive impact to the Bogor region. And the third, that we can see the total increase GERDP yearly by trend from 2028 until 2022 also consists increasing, yeah, which shown that the region is growth both in investment and also in the GRDP. And if we make a group of industry and also how big the investment that we can see here, the GRDP that occur, that we can see that from the overall industry, yeah, manufacturing is the highest that contribute to the GRDP in Bogor region area, yeah, compared to the other industry. And when we do the clustering analysis, we can get results like this, yeah. So we found out that there are three clusters. First is the 14 industry, which is mixed industry, yeah, in here. And then the second cluster is only consists of two industry here, yeah, by the red dot, yeah, using triangle. And then this consists of automotive and constructions. And the third one, the third cluster is only consists of one industry, which is manufacturing. Based on this graphic, we can conclude that the Y consists of investment and the X is GRDP. We can see that the manufacturing is highest in GRDP with near medium, yeah, medium investment compared to the cluster one, yeah. There are various industries in here, but most of them is low and also high. One of them is high in investment, but the result of GDP is really, very low. The second cluster, yeah, we can see that is a low investment, but also low in GRDP. Okay. So for the discussion that we concluded the cluster 3, we can say it mid investment but high GRDP, consists only manufacturing industry in Bogor Regency. It consists of GDP of 141.8 trillion rupiah. Yeah, it's very, very high. With the low investment at only 1.78 trillion rupiah, yeah, we can indicate that the manufacturing sector in Bogor achieved a relatively high level economic output with relatively low investment. The second one, yeah, low investment, low GRDP is come from the cluster 2, only has reached a GDP of 59.73 trillion with investment of 32.339 trillion rupiah. So we can indicate that the automotive industry, along with constructions, play significant role in contributing to GDP, yeah. And also contribute to the economic significance in Bogor region, yeah. But still, cluster 1 is much more higher than the cluster 2. And the third one, the very low investment, low GRDP is cluster 1, consists of 14 industry. Yeah, this is really mixed in terms of investment, but most of them has a low GRDP. The conclusion is that one notable trend is the substantial increase in the domestic capital compared to foreign investment. The transition from 65% or 5.3 trillion rupiah in 2021 to 88% or 13.4 trillion rupiah in 2022. This underscores a growing reliance of the local resource, indicating the strengthening domestic investment environment. The second one, the identification of 17 sub-industry further enhance our understanding of industrial compositions. So with this clustering approach, we can provide a foundation of our target policy intervention. For example, that we know that the manufacturing is having a high GRDP with medium investment, then we can get more to or enhance the manufacturing to get more GRDP or focus on investment in the manufacturing area compared to the other industry. The third one is despite real estate attracting the largest investment, yeah. But the manufacturing sector is emerged as the economic powerhouse for Bogor and contributing a substantial 142 trillion rupiah. This funding underscored the significance of manufacturing sector as major contributor in the economic output, job creation, and also overall regional development. The fourth is that the intriguing aspect lies in the manufacturing sector ability to achieve high economic output with relative low level investment. This suggests a high degree efficiency in resource utilization, potentially attributed to factors such as accessing infrastructure, a skilled labor force, or favorable market condition, the sector success, and so on. So that is our presentation for today. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.